This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on an Indian Sport Chief. This model doesn't represent all Indian motorcycle models. Starting at the front of the vehicle behind the headlight, you will find the headlight adjustment fastener. On the left side of the bike, you'll find the airbox, spark plugs, the oil dipstick, shift lever, left foot peg, side stand, multi-purpose tool, and the battery charge port. The left handlebar contains the clutch lever, mirror, toggle switch, horn switch, high beam, low beam, and flash to pass switch, turn signal and hazard warning switch, 5-way media control switch if equipped, and the screen selection switch if equipped. Between the handlebars are the riser, adjustment fasteners for handlebar positioning, the digital gauge, and fuel cap. The right handlebar contains the mirror, front brake lever, toggle switch, front brake fluid reservoir, power switch, engine stop, start, run switch, cruise control switch, and throttle twist grip. On the right side of the vehicle, you'll find the foot peg, the rear brake pedal, and rear brake reservoir. On Ride Command equipped models, in front of the gas tank you'll find a USB. In front of the engine you'll find the oil filter. Remove the seat to access the fuse panel, battery, and the diagnostic plug under the panel on the right side cover. At the rear of the bike is the adjustable suspension and the drive belt. The VIN label is located on the left-hand chassis frame in front of the gas tank. The VIN is also stamped on the right side of the frame near the steering column. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.